Cheers! So this is the Jimjilbang experience in Busan.
Oh, so cute! It's like a ear cover. Oh.
Grabe! Cliff ang kanyang atake. Wow! Yeah, na-culture shock ako nung first time natin kasi everyone was naked. Although alam na rin naman natin na everyone was naked. Everyone will be naked. Wala naman silang pake. Kasi culture talaga nila. Like everything is normal. As a supportive friend. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Annyeonghaseyo. This is Dave the Kuripot Traveler and nandito tayo ngayon sa Busan, South Korea! So this is a 10-day trip sa 5 tourism hub cities in Korea. So pangatlo na natin ang Busan. Abangan nyo sa mga vlogs ko yung iba pang tourism hub cities. So for today's video, we'll go to Club The Oasis. Guys, this is a very high-end na Jimjilbang. Wow! Let's go. Gonna hurry up.
저 와인 먹었는데 와인 목장원.
This is a very high-end na spa and water park dito sa Busan. So, na-experience natin mag-Jimjilbang before, pero sa iba yon sa Spaland. Hindi ko siya kung saan banda, pero itong ano natin, itong pupuntahan natin ngayon ay malapit lang to sa hotel namin sa may Haeundae Beach. So, sinearch natin to sa Klook. You're laughing again because a lot of language. So, ano to? Nasa 1,000 plus sa Klook para seamless ang inyong experience. Dito na. Dito may bilihan ng ticket. Makaka-discount kayo sa Klook, guys, if gamitin yung promo code ko na Dave Gino Klook. Okay? Free Wi-Fi zone. Hala, I cannot wait. Memorize na nila yung linyahan ko dito. Yung mga intro ko. This for shoes. For clothing. Okay, so meron tayo dalawang coupon dito. Or ano bang tawag dito? Dalawang papel. So, ang isa dito ay for... This is for shoes? Shoes. And then...
The clothes.
The clothes. Okay, the clothes. The clothes. Ayan. Shoes. Clothes. Alright. Di makita. Banda nga. The shoes. Wait, this is for the clothes. This is for the shoes. Ayan. I'll follow the boys. Baka magkaiba ng boys at girls. Guys, we'll take off our shoes and leave this. Let's find our locker. So, 1126. 1126. 1126. 1126. 1126. Here. Kunin natin, guys, yung key, of course. Okay, kunin natin yung key. Ito. Para ito sa mga first-timers. Para ito sa mga first-timer na mag-Jimjilbang. So, dalhin natin tong key. Sinusuot natin to. So, ito yung locker room, guys. For men's. Bawal na, guys, yung camera dito, okay? In accordance with Article 7, may ganito. Enforcement of the Public Health Control Act. Men and women over the age of 4 are absolutely prohibited from entering locker. And so on between the two sexes. Okay. Alright. Towel rental fee. Tapos dito tayo kukuha ng damit. Okay? Damit and towel. Lumabas na tayo, guys, sa locker room. And, ang saya. Ang ganda naman dito. Look. It's a water park. Wow. Ganda. Ang laki, guys. Ang laki ng place. And separate pala yung locker, of course, ng mga babae, tapos ng mga lalaki. Walang mali siya dito, guys. Alam nyo, yung mga ganito, wholesome to. Culture talaga to ng Korea, guys. As in, yung jjimjilbang. Nung first time ko, na-shock ako. Culture shock was real. Kasi first time kong pumasok sa isang lugar. Although may isang place lang talaga, yung bathhouse na area, na puro hubad yung mga tao. Pero sa labas naman, sa ibang area, tulad ng nakita nyo kanina, kani-kanina lang, nakadamit naman yung mga tao dyan. Tapos everyone, boy, girl, bakla, tomboy, can mix in the common places, common areas. Yeah, na-culture shock ako nung first time natin kasi everyone was naked. Although alam na rin naman natin, everyone will be naked. Pero iba pa rin. Pero after some time, I think nag-warm up muna ako ng mga ilang minuto talaga. Almost 1 hour ata yun. Para lakasan yung loob ko na pumasok sa bathhouse. Kasi pagpasok yung locker room, may makikita na talaga kayong nakahubad. Pero eventually, okay na rin naman. Mas tumaas yung confidence ko nung nakapasok na ako. Kasi wala namang paki yung mga tao. Kasi culture talaga nila. Like everything is normal. It's a norm here. Yung public bathhouse. Even sa mga k-drama, diba, nakakapanood tayo ng scenes or sequence na nasa jjimjilbang sila, bonding with family, bonding with friends. Very Oma.
Oma.
Ayu.
Ayu hairdresser.
Let's go. Now, a closer view of the artificial wave here in Club The Oasis. Wow. Ganda. Grabe naman po. Grabe yung muscles ni Kuya, guys, lifeguard. And meron ditong paid facility. So kailangan bayaran yan. Wow. Pool for the kids. Nice. There's some sort of cafe here. Club The Oasis Spa and Water Park. Pero walang nakatao. Labas tayo. It's slippery. Chuo. Lamig. But the view of the buildings, very nice. Imagine soaking yourself into that, anong tawag dyan? Jacuzzi? Wala, di alam. Busan is really giving. Wow. Wow, guys. Ganda. Grabe. Wow. May pool dito, guys. Leaf ang kanyang atake. Here we go. Grabe, that's the Haeundae Beach. Nakakatuwa, guys, kasi dati nandun lang tayo sa Haeundae Beach. Tapos tinitingnan lang natin itong building na to. And then now we're in this building. You know, touring around. Tinutour talaga tayo ng employees, guys. So, nakaka-VIP. Wait. Tingnan nyo. Ganda. Are these slides? Slides? Oh. Slides. The ship head. Yes.
Oh, no.
They're making it for us. Ship head.
Yang Mori.
Yang Mori.
Yang is sheep. Mori is head.
Ah, okay. Yang Mori. For the authentic Korean experience.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait more.
Ayan, guys.
Come here.
Oh,
Oh, so cute.
kamsahamnida.
It's like a ear cover.
Oh.
Come, wait. Okay, is that cute? Okay.
Oppa! Oh, the water is warm. Nasa ibang area na naman tayo guys ng Club de Oasis. And look at the view. So nice.
Line up here.
Oh, children line up here. Alright.
I smell the sashimi. Huh?
Look.
Sashimi?
The view. So,
The smell from outside the restaurant.
so yeah. Oh, you smell sashimi? Oh yeah. I smell food.
So feel free to have your photo, drinks and the massage, extra massage, facial massage.
Guys, may free drinks tayo dito.
You pay later, but yeah, somehow we are all.
Grabe, ang ganda.
No, the drinks. One.
Ang ganda talaga. Wala akong masabi kundi ang ganda. Let's order drink together.
This is so nice.
Yeah. Yung paspasan guys. Yung paspasan. Okay. Let's order drinks. Let's go.
So wait, what are you gonna order?
Jimjilbang experience is complete with eggs. Mine is vanilla hazelnut latte. Or Oasis latte.
It's real experience.
Very K-drama.
So cute.
Ami, Oasis latte. Oasis latte. Yeah. For the authentic Korean drama experience. Lakas mga K-drama. Eggs.
Is it like a Korean drama?
No, it's just their culture. Here's our oma with the drinks. Oh. Wow.
Watermelon? Yes. Shike.
Shike?
Oh. You wanna try?
Authentic.
Shike?
Korean experience, the shike.
Oasis latte.
Oasis latte. This is mine.
Cheers together.
Okay, cheers.
Together.
Cheers. Oh, okay.
Nagbabalat na tayo ng itlog, guys.
Ooh.
Cheers! So this is the Jimjilbang experience in Busan. Ang saya, guys. This is so fun. With the eggs, this is the authentic Korean drama experience with my friends from all over the world. Yung mga napapanood natin sa K-drama. Diba? Ang saya.
KT의 완유가 지사청에서 많이 올리라고 했나 봐요.
아, 그래요?
그러니까 나라마다 다 달라요.
열심히 일하고 있어요. 실시간. 달라요.
No mobile phone sa mga sauna, guys, kasi 50 degrees Celsius, the battery may explode. Guys, ayun tayo ng itlog. So dito, order first, tapos bayad paglabas, okay? Pag check out.
7 o'clock.
7
Okay,
o'clock.
I'm very generous.
Yeah, 7 o'clock.
So, can I meet you at 7 o'clock?
Yeah. Masaya tumambay dito with your friends, family, loved ones, barkada. Dito iba-iba eh. I think may groups talaga, magkakaibigan. So it's such, may mga biggest ngayon eh. So it's such a relaxing place. After a long day in Busan.
What about you? 7 staying here?
I was still here.
Yeah, 7 gonna go outside?
Ito guys, dry sauna. Pwedeng matulog dito. Wait. I think here. Diana making this headdress. Okay. The experience.
So difficult.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Game. Alright.
It's too big.
Wait.
One. Little bit more.
Okay.
What time is it?
Okay. 6:46.
Okay.
Okay, last one. As a supportive friend. opa. May rest area dito, guys. Dumami yung tao. Yun, guys, ang ating Club de Oasis experience. Isang park and at the same time, Jimjilbang dito sa Busan. So, you don't need to enter the public bathhouse kasi maraming pwedeng magawa inside. And pwede kayong kumain lang, mag-relax with your family, chikahan. May nakita kong mga ajuma, nagchichikan lang talaga sila sa loob habang kumakain ng itlog. You know, the experience that we usually see on K-dramas. Tapos may mga photo booths din dito. Ayun. But I suggest kung magkukuliya kayo, mag-ano na lang kayo, try nyo na lahat. Diba? Public bathhouse. Wala nang yung hiya-hiya. Pag magubad kayo, guys. It's part of the experience. Diba? Feeling ko yun talaga yung Korean experience na unique na kaya natin gawin dito sa Korea. So, ano yung thoughts nyo? Kayo, feeling nyo kaya nyo pumasok ng ubad sa isang bathhouse. So, this is Dave, guys. Nakaripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Kim So Yun, opa! Kim So Yun, opa!